Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Iowa's All-Star Caitlin Clark in a cartoon form. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cartoon drawing of Caitlin Clark, let's begin with the face. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down and then up here. Next, I'm going to bring a little line in on each side. Then I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up and down here. Starting here for the ear, let's bring a line that's going to go up, down, and in. And then same thing here. We're going to go up, down, and in for the ears. Next, starting here, let's draw a line that's going to come up and then come down here for her hair. And then let's work on her eyes. I'm going to begin by making a circle here, and then another circle over here. Then right here, I'm going to make a circle for the pupil, and I'm going to color most of this in, leaving a little white. And then same thing here. I'm going to color this in and leaving just a little bit white. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line down with a little curve for the nose. And then I'm going to draw her mouth. Let's begin by making a little smiley face. Then we're going to go down and up with a little curved line. We'll make a line across, and then we'll color the rest of this in. I'll make a little line down here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up on each side for the eyebrows. And then I'm going to make them a little bit darker. Now let's work on her neck. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come down and then up here. Then I'm going to make a line that comes out on each side. We're going to bring this line down on each side. And then we're going to bring this line straight down here. We'll make this line come out a little bit. We'll go around and then out and kind of back in just to make it look like the jersey's tucked in. Then let's work on the shorts. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come down on each side. We're going to come in. Then I'm going to bring this line up here and right across. Next, I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side here, and then a line that comes down on each side here. Then we'll make a little line that curves across on each side. We're going to make a line that's going to come out, down, and then back up to here. And then we'll do the same thing here. We're going to go out, down, and then bring it back up to here for her shoes. We're going to make a line across the bottom for some detail. And then we'll draw two lines that come up on each side for some more detail. We'll draw a line across here on each side for the socks. And then we're going to make her arms. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that comes out on each side. Then we're going to make a line that comes up at an angle on each side. Then we're going to make another line that comes out on each side. And then we're going to bring this up at an angle on each side. Now for her hands, let's bring a line that's going to come up and then down for one of her fingers. and then a line here. We'll make another line here, and then one more here. And then we'll bring a line that's going to curve out and then connect to here for her hand. Next, starting here, we're going to bring this line up, and we're going to bring it down. We'll bring this line up and then down. We're going to bring this line down and then curve it up and down. And then we're going to bring this line up and then curve it down. We'll make a little line across here. Next, let's make her ponytail. So I'm going to begin by making a little bump here. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down here and up. Down here and up. One more, and then I'm going to bring it to here. Next, starting here, let's make the number 22 on her jersey. So we're just going to make a 2 here. And then we'll make another 2 right here on her jersey. And then we can write Iowa right across here. We'll just go I-O-W and then an A. Now for the shorts, let's draw 2 lines right here. And then a line that's going to come down and in, and another one that's going to go down and then in. And then we'll make this line and this line a little darker on the jersey, and then we'll make the neckline a little darker as well. Then starting here, we're just going to make a circle for a basketball. We're going to make a line that's going to curve down and up, and we'll make another one that's going to go up and down. We'll draw a curve here, and then a curve right here for the basketball. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cartoon version of Caitlin Clark. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.